Alright, so we have Bella. She's done with her bath. She's ready to be dried. This is our nice drying station. I have her hooked up, and then I'm going to start with the dryer. When you're using the drying station, the first thing to know is if your dog is used to it or not. And if it's not, you should definitely start out without an attachment cone. The attachment cones make it a little harder pressure, so you get more hair and water out of from the skin. But if your dog isn't used to it, you should not use one of these at first. You should just try it without the head on and start it off at the lowest setting and start around their butt, like right here, just to see how they react. And then if they react well, continue on. But if not, don't. I would say personally, I wouldn't push a dog just because this is very overwhelming. I wouldn't like a big hair dryer in my face if I didn't know what it was. So, that's my rule of thumb. Good girl, huh? You like it. Bella's dry, her face is a little silhouette, her body's mostly dry. You want bathing and drying and all of this, it's all about the dog. You want to make your dog the most comfortable. So it's really, follow the guidelines, but always keep your dog in mind and their comfortability level. Thank you for watching.